So yeah, guys, Vietnam definitely does celebrate, Christmas, as you can see. Thailand celebrates Christmas too. Thailand is very much more of a westernized celebration, meaning it is kind of heavy on the shopping. Mall shopping is a part of the culture in Thailand. It's really not here as much in Vietnam, especially here in Dalat. There is no mall. 600,000 people, right? But there is 100 years of French colonial rule here, and so they brought a lot of things with them. Some of the food, some of the the coffee, cafes, things like that. Architecture, definitely. So and Catholicism. So not that there's a lot of heavy Catholics and heavy religious people here, but that is part of the culture here. And so Christmas has kind of been something to celebrate, with family and friends, and not a lot of gift giving, except just maybe little exchanges at work or something like that. But anyway, another year, another snow village in Dalat, Vietnam. Catch you later. Okay guys, so admission to this place, and it's like a city block long, so I thought it was many businesses, but it's just kind of one. There might be multiple businesses in here, but 120,000. This is less than $5, and it includes a drink. And this is just kind of the first floor. A couple of massage chairs, right? Toys, I guess, vending machine. Maybe the claw. Yeah, it's the claw. And another view right down there. There's Anna's. That's where I was at before. Great Western breakfast. In the morning you got the clouds that come down over the tops of the mountains, so it's really nice, and then they kind of lift up as the time goes on. But most of the action in this place is on the second floor. This is how it goes. Can you imagine a place like this sitting empty in your city? That's a question for you. It's a question I ask all the time. Yeah, I think this is where I get my coffee. Here you can see where the cable car comes through. Whoop, time to get my drink. Okay. As always in Vietnam, watch your step. So only in Dalat can we go up 2 flights of stairs and down a few feet, and you're on the ground level. Again, very hilly. Oh my God, look at that. you know, just hide your kids, hide your wife, right? Like you don't want them falling off the edge here, but you know, there is no protection for you.